Welcome. In this lesson, you'll learn Microsoft Excel from scratch. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It organizes information neatly in rows and columns. It can also perform calculation using formulas and functions. Excel is part of the Microsoft 365 family along Word and PowerPoint. So, why do people actually use Excel? First, to organize data neatly. Second, to perform automatically. Third, to analyze data and find patterns. Fourth, to create charts and graphs for reports. And finally, to save time on repetitive tasks. Excel is used everywhere. Let's look at a few examples. Students use it, manage marks and timetables. Offices use it to track tasks and schedules. Businesses use its sales records and budgets. In accounting, it's used for invoices and expenses. In data analysis, it's used to spot trends, and in everyday life, for budgets and planning. Now let's open Excel. Here's a typical window desktop. Double-click the Excel icon to launch the application. Excel opens to the Start screen where you can choose a template. We'll click Blank Workbook to start with an empty sheet. This is the Excel interface. Let's explore each part step by step. At the very top left is the Quick Access Toolbar. One-click shortcuts like Undo, Redo, and Save, Quick Access Toolbar. Below that are the Ribbon tabs, Home, Insert Formulas, Data, and more. Ribbon tabs, Home, Insert Formulas. Each tab opens a different ribbon full of tools grouped by task. The ribbon. Clipboard group, Copy, Cut, Paste. Font group, Bold, Italic, Underline. Alignment group. Number formatting group, $%. Just below the ribbon sits the name box and the formula bar. Name box shows the active cell reference. Formula bar and shows the content/formula of the active cell. These lettered headers across the top are the columns A, B, C, and so on. Columns A, B, C. Down the left side are the rows, numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. Rows 1, 2, 3. Where a row and columns meet is called a cell. Click any cell to select it. A cell, intersection of rows and column. The cell you've selected, with the thick green border, is called the active cell. Active cell, currently selected, B2. At the bottom, Sheets tabs let you switch between worksheets in the same file. Sheet tabs, Sheet 1, Sheet 2. Click the plus button to add a new worksheet to your workbook. The status bar at the very bottom shows quick and like zoom level and view options. Status bar, ready, zoom, view options. Important distinction, a workbook is the entire Excel file. It can contain many worksheets, sheets/tabs, inside it. Workbook equals the whole file. Worksheet equals one tab/sheet inside the workbook. Now let's a quick practical example on the blank worksheet. Click cell A1 and type name. Press Tab, then in B1 type marks. Just like that, we've entered a small table of names and marks. Notice how the name box and formula bar update every time you select a different cell. This is the foundation of everything you'll do in Excel. Select a cell, then work with its data. Next, let's learn how to enter and format data in Excel. The Excel nest. See you in the next lesson.